Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Howfast.
How's it going tonight, guys?
Derek and I are here today on a beautiful sunny Wednesday, and we're gonna get working on the car. Derek, why don't you run down where we're gonna attack today?
Sure. So today, try and get all the side metal off, as much as we can anyway. Maybe get the floor off on the passenger side, or at least see what we're dealing with. Possibly work on the fuel cell. We have to see if it's actually empty or not, and would be the best way to get it out without having to take the whole freaking car apart.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a tight squeeze in there. I mean, with where that back sheet metal is and where the size of the fuel cell, it might be a little bit of a struggle. Oh, hopefully we don't have to.
But I mean, now that I'm looking at it too, I think this might be just a cover.
Yeah, yeah. It's riveted on, so I mean. Maybe it is just a cover, but there's definitely like it's like a bladder in there though. Yeah. I don't know.
Anyway, we'll have to see. And take the battery out, and you know the dirt gravel road that's under here, probably from the car driving on the track.
Yeah, look at all those. I don't know if you can see. There's about 15 pounds of stones in there. So
stones and crap.
Yeah, we're gonna make the car even quicker by cleaning it out.
Weight loss. This is all rotted. The floor here. They could probably just about pull it off. And yeah, try to get as much as a cage exposed as we can, and see what we're dealing with as far as that goes. And well, see how the night goes.
Okay, guys, we're gonna get started. So stick around. Nicked the bar there. Whoops.
Oops. I'm curious.
Fun size for the family. Back door for the kids. Lots of room. Safe. Safer than a Volvo.
Safer than a Volvo. Volvo? You said Volvo, right?
Volvo.
Volvo.
Check this out. What do you think?
Pretty nice.
Do the whole cage.
All the rest.
Flap out the whole cage and lacquer it. I kind of like it.
Of course not.
Okay. we get it out now. Oh, something's caught in the bottom here still. Oh, that little 1/8 inch at the bottom. Oh, taking the floor with it.
Apparently we're gonna take the whole floor out too.
Yeah, that would be awesome. That all just came out in one shot.
Safety glasses.
Whew. Look at that. That looks awesome. Okay. So now we're going to take out the floor.
Alright guys, so floor's all cut out, front firewall. We kind of shaped the center console to try and keep everything symmetrical. Not sure if we're going to keep that or not, but if we are, one less step we got to worry about.
Yeah. So if you guys look, we actually have a frame rail that is, this car is asymmetrical, as you guys know. And there's a frame rail you can see here that Derek's put the light on that runs down the inside of the transmission well and tunnel. So we need to replicate that on this side. So what we're going to do is we're going to get ourselves a tube and we're going to have it welded in there.
Yeah. Calling some favors. We've got a couple buddies who are pretty good welders. Just, you know, a tack here and there we can handle, but any kind of structural stuff or anything that has to do with our life being in jeopardy, we want to make sure that that's well done. So.
Yeah, safety first. Obviously, that's why we have the cage, right? Like, we bought something that is more cage than we need because we don't want anyone getting hurt. This is just all about having fun and taking a ride and de-stressing. So right now, I guess we can think about building the footwell for this and getting a second passenger seat.
Yeah. And on that note, I mean, hey, if anybody out there has a spare racing seat that they want to part with for cheap, or donate to the cause, guys. Come on, help us out. We'll give you a free ride ticket.
Yeah, man, free ticket to ride.
Free ticket to ride.
Or you know what? If you come through with an aluminum racing seat, I'll throw in a Howfast T-shirt for you too.
Yeah. That's a pretty good deal.
Yeah,
yeah,
I'd do it.
I would too.
If I had a racing seat.
Well, yeah. I might find one
just so you can get a shirt.
I want a shirt. I don't even have a shirt. See, guys, I don't even have a shirt.
They're under high demand, and I'm an elitist, so.
Yeah. So pretty much done. A lot of the cutting out, metalwork, removal.
Yeah.
You know, a little bit, all that rotten stuff on that side. You gotta get rid of that still.
Yeah, we're literally 90% there for the removal of the sheet metal,
yeah,
which is a big milestone for us.
Yeah, it's exciting. You know, things are kind of, I guess, for lack of a better term, taking shape. Coming apart instead of coming together. They're coming apart. Things are coming apart around here. Coming apart around here. Yep.
And that's a good thing.
Not taking shape, and you know, it's progress.
Yeah, it's progress, and it's really starting to look like Leroy now.
Rain outside.
Yeah, it's really.
So when we started tonight, guys, maybe 2 hours ago.
Yeah.
You know, sun was out, nice day, nice and calm, and you know, typical southwestern Ontario weather. Thunderstorm and rain now, and it's cooling off. So.
Yeah. It's good for breeding mosquitoes. Yeah. If you guys don't know, that's what we do out here at Howfast headquarters. Is in the back, I've got farms and farms of mosquitoes that I breed just for you guys.
Yeah. When you come visit, yeah, show you feeding time with the mosquitoes.
That's right. Tucked away here in the Howfast forest. Yeah. It's like the Bat Cave is really what it is, right? Okay, it's the unknown location. Nobody knows where it is, so.
No.
Here we are. Well, there it is, guys. The last piece of the puzzle for the sheet metal that we're going to be cutting off the car. So he's actually stripped down.
Yeah, stripped down and naked.
Yeah, and exposed now. Truly.
Yeah.
So basically, from this point forward, it's building onto this. I mean, there'll be a couple of small other things we need to remove, but as we mentioned, we'll be putting in that large tube here and building a footwell for this area. And yeah.
Yeah, there's you know, most of the hard work's done now. Well, I shouldn't say the hard work's done, but the grunt work anyway. As far as ripping it apart, now it's put it back together, make it safe, make it pretty.
Yeah, and you know, as far as you know, the content, you know, guys, we understand this is kind of dry, us cutting stuff out, but this is really kind of as Derek said, the hard work, the grunt part of it.
Yeah. It's a step-by-step process. You know, we want to show everything, and you know, that's part of why we're doing this project. We want to every step of the way we gotta show what's going on. And
yeah, as we mentioned, like, this is a journey, right? It's not a sprint, right? Yeah. So you know, this is going to take us some time, but we hope you guys tune in regularly and follow along with us. But I mean, the content in a couple weeks, Retrofest.
Retrofest, yep. We got Concourse D'Elegance at RM, which is going to be amazing.
And Sam Roberts
band's going to be playing Capitol Theatre.
It just keeps getting better and better. There's tons of stuff going on. And as I mentioned, we're hoping to get my buddy Andrew from Real Aerials out there to get us some aerial footage. So stay tuned for that. If you guys want to get in contact with us, howfast10@gmail.com or at how__fast on Instagram. So please make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and share with all your friends or anybody you know who might be in the EMS, police, fire, ambulance committee or community.
Any veterans, you know, or even guys, you know, serving now.
Yeah, currently serving.
You know, we've got guys in the reserve around that, you know, tons of guys around here. All the volunteer firefighters, anybody, you know.
So if you guys think you have someone who might be interested in the channel, please make sure that you tell them about it. #Howfast on YouTube, and we'll catch up with you guys next time.